Now we see a project reading data from spreadsheet. This is a given spreadsheet. From this spreadsheet we have to read data. To read data from given spreadsheet, we have to first read data from Excel spreadsheet, count number of census tracts in each country, and count the total population of each country, and to print the result. You know that in this spreadsheet there is different state. The state is given as CA, country is given as San Francisco, and population is given. In that, the population census tract of different countries and different states are given in this spreadsheet. Okay, by using this spreadsheet we have to find total population of state wise, country wise. Okay, for that purpose we have to first read spreadsheet data. Okay, you know that the spreadsheet is stored in the census population.xslx file. Now you have to first import OpenPy Excel and pprint method, and it has to display the message printing workbook. Now first load the workbook census population data.xslx, and then sheet equal to wb.get sheet by name. Okay, to get a particular sheet by population by census tract. Now country data equal to dictionary, MD dictionary. First dictionary data structure is created with the empty value. Now here we have to read the rows. For row in range 2 to sheet dot get highest row plus 1. Okay, till data is there, till that it reads. Now state equal to state of B plus str of row indicates B column row 1 B1 dot value, then C column row 1 C1 dot value, D column row 1 D1 dot value is stored in the state, country, then pop variable. Okay, and now next step is to populate the data structure. See, once the Excel workbook is retrieved or read, the data structure dictionary need to be populated in this way. Okay, and this is called as nested dictionary. State, country, then population, then tracts. State is AK, in that country this population tracts to state, AK state, country is this Anchorage, pop tracts number, like this. Okay, the data structure need to be populated by reading the Excel workbook, and from this data structure, country data, to access some value you have to make use of state AK, then country, then data pop, state AK, country, Anchorage, data tracts. Now state, AK, country, Anchorage, data tracts is 55. State AK state, country, Anchorage, data pop is 2,91,826. Thus we can retrieve the content of the dictionary. Now here, to populate the data structure dictionary, first we have to take each row of the spreadsheet, and then this already over. We have to first set default value to the dictionary data, that is state as empty, and in each state, in each country. Okay, now state is here, retrieved state from the B1 row, B2 row, and then retrieved country from the C2 row, retrieved data, pop data from D2 row, Now here country of state is nothing but state is this state, that is AK dot set default in that state to the particular country which is retrieved here, tracks and population made as 0. Okay, thus for all the cells of the data structure at the beginning, population tracks are made 0 for particular state and for particular country. As particular row read from Excel, then tracks will be incremented by 1 for that particular state and country, and population will be incremented by int of population, because population already read, it will be added to pop data. Okay, thus data structure will be populated using this for loop inside these statements. Once the data structure is populated, for all the rows the same procedure takes here. First, from each row the state, country, pop data is extracted and stored to state, country, pop, and then the default value is set for that state, country with the tracks 0 and pop 0, and then whatever data read for that particular state and country, tracks will be incremented by 1 and country will be incremented by addition of pop value to that particular element. Now next step is to create a text file and store the content of data structure dictionary into the text file. For writing the results to a text file, that is a step 3. First, result file need to be open in the write mode, and then all data of country data dictionary will be returned to result file, that is to text file, and then the text file will be closed. Okay, pprint will display or store the data in the formatted way to the text file. Now pprint that format to write the result to the text file. Next, once a result is returned to the text file, you know result is available in the Census 2010.py file. In that file, census data will be stored. Thus, if you open that population file, census 2010.py, you can see the all population analysis, that is total population of state wise and country wise.